Keith, I am hopeful your New Year's resolution includes more sunshine in the forecast.
No, but that coffee place could come in handy in this gloomy weather that we have.
It's coffee drinking weather right now, big time.
Yeah, he says something about coffee with friends. What do you do if you don't have friends like me?
You drink alone like
just do
me.
yourself. Oh,
maybe we should drink together.
We're misconnected.
Right,
here,
what's the deal?
Yeah, it's kind of dreary out there today. We've got some light rain into the mid-coast into down East Maine as well, and we just haven't seen a lot of sunshine, especially over coastal Maine over the last few days. Unfortunately, that trend is going to continue. Looking back to the south and west, look at all this moisture in through Pennsylvania and upstate New York. Some of this will move in tonight. The rest of it will move in tomorrow as a low-pressure system dives to our south and east. So tonight, I think the main headlines are going to be that it's mild, but it's still showery, and there'll be some dense fog. Already a couple of spots in the mid-coast and down east are reporting 1/4 mile or less visibility. I don't see any reason that that would get any better through the evening. I think thick fog continues to be in place overnight tonight and through early tomorrow morning. And then that low develops to our south and east, and we get some heavier rain in here through the middle of the day. So the low right there actually misses us technically, but it's close enough that it throws rain back in our direction through the day tomorrow and through tomorrow night. Eventually, cold air sinks into the same system on Friday, changes us over from north to south, from rain to snow. In some places, we'll see some freezing rain involved in that as well. And then this whole thing wraps up finally by Saturday afternoon. So this one low will give us several days of unstable weather. Tomorrow morning, you might wake up and it's just cloudy but dry. But by mid to late morning, we've got rain moved in to about Bangor. And that rain is heaviest over southern coastal Maine, and it's just cloudy to the north. But here we are tomorrow night into Friday morning. Cold air starts to undercut this. And so we end up with a situation briefly tomorrow night through early Friday that we could see some freezing drizzle that would be noteworthy, freezing rain really, Bangor into Millinocket and Greenville. So we'll keep an eye on that. The rest of us make a more clean transition over to snow through the day on Friday. The coastline, I think, stays all rain, maybe a few flakes into down East Maine, and then that snow continues into the mountains and foothills tomorrow night and in through Saturday, at least the first half of the day before moving out. So all of that from tomorrow night through Saturday afternoon should add up to about this, 1 to 3 inches of snow, including Bangor back to Rangeley and the Carrabassett Valley, and then 3 to 5 into far northern Maine. It is worth noting probably a couple of 3 to 5 bullseyes in the highest terrain here, but you don't want to get too cute about the mountains. You know how it is. The mountains, higher elevation gets a little bit more snow. Finally, we start to see some sunshine on Sunday. That's the first truly bright day, unfortunately, in this stretch. New Year's Eve looks fine, about what you'd expect, starting in the mid-30s, ending up in the upper 20s by Monday morning, depending on how hard you feel like you're going to party there, and then quiet on Tuesday, Wednesday. One thing, Brian, we still don't see is a significant snowstorm in the next 7 to 10 days.
Wow, January coming in just quiet.
Yeah.
All right, Keith, thank you.